What's up everyone, SCPWolf here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video on how to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. By the way, if you got any other methods, make sure to comment down below and let me know. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you won't miss any of my latest methods. Also, check out my Discord server and r/SCPWolf if you need help. Link is in the description below. We will be using Discord.com as an example since it is blocked, as you can see over here. So first, search Replit. Replit. It should be the first one. Replit.com. Replit. Code, create, and learn together. Click on it. And go to sign up. And search temp mail. Temp mail. It should be the first one. Temp mail. Disposable temporary email. Click on it. And click copy. And go back. And paste it over here. After that, enter your username and password. Then, click Create Account. After that, go back and find Replit. Click on it. And scroll down and copy the link over here. After that, paste it into the search bar. And click Enter. After that, go to Chromium browser, link is in the description below. And click Run. And now, all you have to do is search the website that you want to go to. For example, if you want to go to Discord.com, all you have to do is search Discord. Discord. It should be the first one. Discord, your place to talk and hang out. Click on it. And as you can see over here, it is not blocked anymore. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video is helpful. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like down below and check out my Discord server, or just comment down below if you have any issues. And I will see you guys next time.